Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we have to start second poem in English. The name of the poem is The Rebel. The Rebel. This poem was written by DJ Enright, and this poet asked some question to you. I'll read that. Children, do you know anyone who always disagree with you and your friends, or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Think of a word to describe such a person. And a poet also asks you to discuss with your partner some of the things such a person generally does. Means sometimes we find a boy or a girl who feels satisfied by going against the grain. So, like these characters are also there. And we will read this one poem and then we'll come to know about it. So, let me read it first. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says yes, please, the rebel says no, thank you. When everybody says no, thank you, the rebel says yes, please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So it's the end of the poem DJ Enright. We can understand that this rebel is a person who feel what satisfied and he feel a great pleasure by going against the flow, against of all the people. He feel satisfied or happy. We can see that in the poem. Now let me explain this. See, in the first stanza or first four lines, we can say, when the rebel encounters a group of people with short hair, he would allow his hair to grow long because he derives pleasure and satisfaction by going against the grain. However, he is not constant, and therefore, when he sees people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting his short. So, this is the meaning of first four lines. Totally against of the flow. This person or speaker, he wants to go opposite of the flow. Then in the next four lines, that is, when everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. And when nobody talks during a lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. Means when this rebel or seeing everybody talk during the lesson, this rebel suddenly finds his silence most valuable. He keep quiet. He keeps quiet. But however, because he is a rebel, he cannot help but create disturbance and make a series of interjections. When he sees that everybody else has become quiet, then the rebel constantly seeks attention by doing that what others don't do. I hope you are understanding. When he sees that everybody else has quiet, then he the or that rebel constantly seeks attention by doing that what others do not do. That means he disturbs other people when other people keep themselves quiet. Then the third stanza: when everyone wears uniform, rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In these four lines also, this rebel always wants to showcase and exhibit himself as different. He is not. He wants to show that he is not like all others. He is something different. This rebel always wants to showcase himself or exhibit himself as a different one, not the similar of all other, not the same as of others. He would wear colorful clothes when everybody else is dressed up in a common uniform. However, the moment he sees others dressed up in a different and colorful clothes, he would be unable to control his urge to wear the uniform. That means this rebel wants to prove that he is not the same. He is something different than all others. Then in the next stanza, that is stanza number 4, in the company of God lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cat. Okay, that means when the rebel finds himself in the company of dog lovers, he begins to prefer the cats. On the other hand, see, in the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good words for dogs. Okay, on being surrounded by cat lovers, he will put in a favorable word for dogs. His preferences and choices never seem to match with anyone else in the group. Never seem to match with anybody else in the group. Remember. So he is a rebel. Then, next stanza: when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on a need for rain. And when everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. That means, see here, even with respect to weather, this rebel, for him it is difficult to bring the rebel on a board, for he would appreciate the sun while all others would be welcoming the rains, and miss the rains while others would be enjoying the sun. That means totally opposite. He wants to prove that he is not the same. He is something different person from all others in his group or in the class. So that is why he is called as a rebel. Then next, when when everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. See again here, contrast are totally opposite. The rebels are the people who are usually all alone, for they prefer to tread on a different path than others. So when others go for a meeting, they stay at home and read a book. When the others stay at home, they go to the meeting. So like this, in the sixth stanza, poet has told this one. when everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. The poet is here, see, he is merely highlighting how it is impossible to make the rebel agree with anyone at all. Poet says that when everybody says no, and saying no when everybody says yes, he is another character trait for the rebel. Totally opposite. Then last stanza, when everybody says when everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. And it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. So it seems that having rebels around us is beneficial, as they train us to acknowledge differences. However, it is not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society. Remember, boys, rebels are not accepted by the society. Why? Because they always criticize others. They always just like what insult others. They always wants to prove themselves that they are not a part of a group. They are something different, totally different than others. That is why they are not accepted by the society. Being rebel is not good. So this is the end of the poem. DJ and Wright at the end asks us yes, or he tells about the rebel that he it is good, or it seems that having rebels around us is beneficial. Why? Because they train us to acknowledge differences. Okay, at the end he says, and then it is not good to be a rebel. Why? Because they are not accepted by the society. I hope you understood the meaning of the poem, children. If any problems are there, difficulties are there, you can share your problems or doubts to my personal number. Thank you.